Hey guys and girls, it's Julia with the YouTube channel Wig Review Central. Pinky Promise Wigs and I welcome you to this wig review of the Tressallure style Smooth Shoulder Shag. It's in the color 1425, Honey Ginger. Let's get started. Smooth Shoulder Shag has a beautifully done temple to temple sheer lace front. It gives the appearance of a natural hairline. The monofilament top is 100% hand tied. I really like the parting space. It looks as though the fiber is growing right out of your scalp. And because this is a monofilament top, you can part this wig left, center, or right. You should know that Smooth Shoulder Shag was formerly known as Azalea by brand Syntress. This wig fits a head that is a Petite-Average. The measurement is 21.5 inches in circumference. Now my head size is 22 inches in circumference, which is also considered average. And this cap fits me a little snug right out of the box, with the adjusters on the loosest setting, so this would not be suitable for someone with a larger than 22-inch circumference head size. All in all, I'm very pleased with the Tressallure Smooth Shoulder Shag. The 100% hand-tied cap is so soft and comfortable. If you have little to no hair, you will find this to be perhaps the best feature. This is not a heat-friendly wig. It is made with high-quality Moda acrylic fiber. That being said, I did find some trouble with the fiber not wanting to lay in the position that I needed it to when I parted this wig. It comes out of the box with a left-hand side part. When I tried to part it on the right, the fibers didn't want to lay down. Now, because it's not heat-friendly, you cannot use heat tools to correct this. However, you can take a steamy hot washcloth, part the wig as you want it to be, and then press the washcloth on top hold it for a minute or two, and the fiber should be trained. Smooth Shoulder Shag is a lovely medium density wig. If you're interested in purchasing Smooth Shoulder Shag, I highly recommend the website pinkypromise.com. They carry this style in all of the beautiful Tressallure colors. They have great customer service and free shipping. Now, when you get to the website, on the home page, scroll down to the bottom and sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code good on your first purchase. Plus, you'll receive email alerts about fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. Now, if you have questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comments section below the video. Now, if you wear this wig, we would love to hear your experience with it. Well, thank you so much for watching my wig review. Take care. Bye-bye.